Good day, friends. It was a volatile day as we expected. This was an expiry date. Started expecting these kind of behaviors in past few months. Market has been volatile, and today has been extremely volatile. Let me show you how. The market went up to 17,490. That was the day's high, and then it went as low as 17,161, and then closed somewhere around 70,382. The difference between the high and low, 300 points. These days, it is normal, particularly on an expiry day. So they didn't disappoint us. So those traders who have expected some volatility to happen during the day, they would have had some strategy in this space which would be exploiting this kind of volatility, and they would have made some money. Those people who didn't expect these kind of whipsaw movements, probably they would be in trouble. So, as we are always saying, no matter what the Nifty is doing, how the market is going, always protect your downside. Protect yourself from these kind of whipsaw movements, these kind of volatile days. Then we will be in profit in the rest of the days when the market behaves more or less in the normal way. So, what are the things that have changed when I compare to yesterday and the past months? One big thing that has happened is that since last year, October, FAS has been selling at least some 10 to 15,000 crores each month, and some months it was about 30,000-40,000 crores for so many years. From last October onwards, they've been selling. But last month, in July, there was net buying by the FIS. So that might be signs of change, because somewhere around 1,700 crores they have bought from the last month. But this month onwards, they are already bought for about 4,000 and odd crores. So if this trend holds, then that is a good sign for the markets. They are coming back, and they will be, when they are back, they will be coming up with good money. And then our retail money that is coming, retail investors who had who was unfazed when the market was falling down, they will, if they start buying, then market will go places. It will reach high very soon. So if everything remains the same, if there is no major event that happens that can disturb the apple cart, till such time market is expected to grow, particularly Indian market. When you take the other countries, the inflation, some countries were as high as about 50% in the last month itself, but our country is relatively stable. When compared to all the other countries, we are peaceful, our inflation rate is manageable, our investors are not gambling that much, retail money is keep on coming in, and we are in a very good position when compared to the rest of the world. Okay, but what happening with the currency? That's a good question. Currency went up by about 30%, somewhere around, not 30%, by 0.3 points, which is, 0.3 will be about 0.3 rupees, which is 30 paise, which is a big deal when currency is involved, because usually the currency pairs are stable, particularly dollar US been stable, but last 1 month or so, because of various international events, the market has been fluctuating. Sometimes it crossed even 80 for the first time, and then it cooled off a bit, and then it come down to 78 and odd, and then now it is around 79.3. So what is the way forward for rupee? That totally entirely depends on how the RBI is going to behave, and our current account officer is to an extent not in the position we would like it to be, so you need to watch out for that if you are trading in the currencies, particularly USD INR. Okay, so now coming back to crude oil seems to be easing off a bit, and if that is an indication, the inflation is likely to come down a bit, and that will push up the stock markets a little higher, at least in our country. In US also, people are expecting the bounce back to be sharp. That is the reason the Dow Jones went up by about 430 points yesterday. Nasdaq not so much. And if you are a long-term investor, these kind of falls, even the intraday falls, are heaven sent. Don't miss this opportunity. If you are a trader, protect your downside. Expect volatility to be like this for a while at least, till such time the normalcy resumes. You'll be protecting your downsides, taking appropriate strategies. If you want to know any particular strategy which might protect your downside on a volatile day like this, please write to us. We will help you We have a lot of experts with us. They will be helping you out on that. If you want any particular thing to be known about this particular day, how the markets have traded, and any particular event that has happened which needs to be explained, please let us know. We will be calling you or commenting in the comment section. Thank you. Happy trading. Tomorrow is a Friday. Be very light in your positions. Happy trading and profitable trading. We at Zebu and Zebu School wish you a great trading day tomorrow. Thank you.